All right, morning, guys. Welcome back. We on another day. Got a few things to do first before I get back on Hampton's car and do this harness. Do some quick little maintenance where we're gonna do front brakes and a trans service, drain and fill. And then I'll get back on Hamp's car. We're gonna do the harness for the headlights. And then I'm gonna pull these out, start cleaning and breaking everything down. We will get the ball joints. So waiting on the bushings and stuff to get here. We'll get some ball joints and some new bearings, and then also the bearing assembly for this, for the rear. And probably get it clean and painted today and get all the parts in there, that way I can reassemble everything. So we're gonna do that. That's what's on the schedule for today. Anything else pop up, it'll pop up. But for now, that's what we're doing. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm back. It's Wednesday now, so shit, 2 days. The last clip you probably saw was me doing the brakes on the Accord, and then I was working on Hampton's car, which got late, and we just chatted it up, so I didn't even have the camera on, which is my phone. Yesterday, chilled out with the wife, went and got groceries and stuff, and ran around, ran some errands. So last night I went to Walmart and I grabbed this because I am making plans to try to make a hanger, but until then, you know, it was pretty rusty. I'll show you some pictures, or I'll probably link it, but it was pretty rusty than what it is now. And man, I brushed as much as I can and got it off, but now I'm about to try to get the rest of this off. It just says spray. I did it last night, and I mean, it got a lot of the rust off. So I'm gonna do it again now, and I'll show you the process real quick. It's basically just shake it, spray it, let it sit for like 30 minutes, and then come back and wash it off. So while that's doing what it's doing, got about another 15-20 minutes on that, and then I'll just wash it off with water. I'm going to start prepping this. Well, it's already good, just gotta wipe it down and get it ready for some undercoat. I'm probably just gonna do the bottom side. I'll leave the top for now. Yeah, get ready to assemble the pump onto the hanger. Strip down this rear, see if Advance got my bushings in so I can start doing the bushings to the car. Oh yeah, try to get most of this done because I'm gonna go dump some trash today, get this garage a little cleaned up. But other than that, that's what we got going. So I'm about to wipe down this tank on the bottom side and spray a few coats real quick. I think I want to run to Home Depot so I can run to Home Depot and grab some stuff too. So yeah, let's get to it.